Hi, everybody. This is Craig, the water guy. I hope you're doing well today. Hey, I want to share our SoftPro Green reverse osmosis system with you today and explain to you why it is the best reverse osmosis system that you could possibly get on the market. This green reverse osmosis system is a high efficiency reverse osmosis system. It only wastes 1 gallon of water for every gallon that it makes. So it's better for the environment and better for your pocketbook because it doesn't cost a fortune to operate this system. Your average reverse osmosis system that you see on the market today wastes 4 gallons of water for every gallon that it makes. So again, this system is much more efficient for you. The other thing about the SoftPro Green reverse osmosis system is that it has a 5-year manufacturer warranty on the system. Most of your reverse osmosis systems that you see out there today only have a 1-year warranty. All the fittings on this are quick connect fittings. You push in the tube and it locks into place. So it's very easy to install. You don't have to screw a bunch of fittings together. The SoftPro Green reverse osmosis system also comes with a long reach chrome faucet with a really nice decorated chrome off and on handle. Most reverse osmosis systems come with a chrome long reach faucet, but they have a black plastic flip up handle that have a tendency of breaking, and they just don't operate as good. The other thing that we offer here at QualityWaterTreatment.com with these systems is that, let's say you have a decorative faucet of a different color at your sink, and you want your reverse osmosis faucet to match it. You can send us a picture of that faucet, and we will send you a picture of a faucet that we think that will fit that color the best that we can. And if you approve that, we will add that colored faucet to the system and placement of the chrome faucet to help you out there and get things to match as best as we can at no additional charge to you. One other thing that we've offered here is we offer an alkalizer filter as an upgrade. Most of you that have been looking into drinking water and health uh, have come across articles where saying that reverse osmosis water is acidic and acidic water is not good for your body. And that is true. An acidic body is not as healthy as a body that's alkalized. An alkalized body fights off diseases and cancer and what have you not much easier than it would if your body was acidic. So what we've done is we've added this alkalizer filter to the system as an option. You can click on alkalizer filter here. And what the alkalizer filter does is it raises your pH up to between 7.0 and 8.5, which is alkalized water. So the end results with this system is you get really nice bottled water with a high alkalized pH, the best drinking water you could possibly get at your fingertips. You could also tee it off up to going up to the faucet, run it to your refrigerator, your ice maker, your cold water dispenser to give you really good drinking water there at your refrigerator, along with really nice ice cubes there for your beverages. So I hope that helps you, and we look forward to seeing you and healthy drinking water to you and your family.